As you're doing this with your partner, identify, am I mechanically pulling him out? Am I pulling him out with magnetism? Am I pulling my partner out because I'm creating a void for him to fall into and he's wanting to fall into it? Am I pulling him out because he's behavioral conditioned? You know, look at what's causing the effect that you're doing, identify it, and then change it up. Go, okay, I'll mechanically pull him out off his tension, and I'll soften it into the energy, and I'll create a vacuum and just create a space for him to fall through, and change up your model of why it's working. If you feel your partner's just cooperatively floating and behaviorally conditioning response to what you're doing, do it differently. Just change it instantly and reset. The enemy of this stuff is behavioral conditioning. We don't want that to come in. How you move your mind and energy is how your partner should respond. So keep changing your method. There's not just one way of doing this, there's a lot of ways of doing the exercise. The most important part is label, that's his base, that's the tension line, that's the mass, that's his balance, and that's the matrix. You want to feel and identify each one of those things, because every person, their balance moves out through a different door. It's not the same on each person. The next person you touch, go, oh, that's different. And some people, their balance will just sort of like slip out. Other people's will hop out. Some people drop down before their balance goes. Some people rise before their balance goes. There's a different door for the balance to leave the body for each person. Okay, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much, everyone.